Hello everybody, my name is Gift and you're watching Green Intent, where minimalism, lowest lifestyle, and technology combine. Here's a pain I have. It might be pretty specific, but hear me out, because I know that those of you who love bulk shopping, zero waste shopping can relate. And by zero waste shopping, I mean something like this, where you can prepare your own containers or reusable bags to refill the products from the store, and the store that has bulk bins and or package-free produce without bringing home any more packaging trash. So here's a scenario. I live in Sammamish and I plan to bake cookies tomorrow, but I ran out of sugar. So the simple solution is to go to the store, which is just across the street 7 minutes away, and then buy packaged sugar from the store, which means that I'm gonna bring in more packaging trash to my home, which I don't want that. So I search on Google Maps for a nearest bulk store, assuming I don't know any bulk store nearby. And I saw a bunch of results as expected, but it's not as specific as I want it to be, unless I put in more keywords or use more filters. And also, if I'm gonna go to the store, I do want to know what else they do have in the stores apart from the sugar, so that while I'm there I can buy other stuff that I want without having another trip to the other store. But it's a lot of work to get to each store's website and search for a product list that they have. Most bulk stores have only category names, but not the whole set of product lists. So now I'm in limbo. It pains me to make more trash by buying packaged sugar from the store, but at the same time, it also way too inconvenient to search for my ideal products with the available search tools that I have. So what if we have an application that acts like that works like Google Maps, but solely focuses on showing results of eco-friendly, bulk or package-free products based on user's location. And with each result, there is a drop-down option that users can view the product list without having to go to each store's website and then look for the product list themselves. And that was when I came up with an idea to make a mobile application that can fix my own problems. Did I have skills to make the app yet? Nope, not yet. But I was super inspired, so I made a prototype, sort of like a model of how the app works, in order to make my idea more visual. And also it's going to be helpful if I want to show it to somebody. Then in 2020, which is last year, I enrolled in programming major at Seattle Central College. The very first quarter, there is a basic web development class that teaches fundamental skills of how to make a website from scratch. And for the final project of this class, we had to demonstrate that we can build a website with HTML and CSS, which are fundamental languages for making static website. Then I thought, okay, since I didn't know how to make a mobile application yet, but I could make a website about the application. Therefore, I chose to make this introduction website for this application. It's a 3-page simple website that has information about the application, including the solution that the app provides, as well as the store partners page. Then I have the About Us page that has information about the application developer. And here is where I put the prototype that I made onto this website as well. As you can see, that most of the content on here is not a real content yet, because the goal of this project is all about designing and structuring the website, not the content. Okay, so now let's put this project aside and talk about the application itself, because that's the meat of the video. So let me show you how this application works. First of all, this is the homepage of the application. There's a logo and a couple of boxes here. The first one, you can put the product that you're looking for, and the second one is your location. And once you press search, so you will see the results that looks like Google Map, which has store's address, contact number, the conditions of each store, whether they accept reusable containers or not. There's also an option that you can view the product list, and this is the highlight of this app. So with this product list drop down thing here, you will see that it's based on categories, and it also has labels, whether each product is organic, fair trade, or vegan. And within this drop down list, there are 3 options. The first one is screenshot. If you press it, it's gonna then turn to a whole screen for you with the whole product list that you can keep this on your device. Then you can also share this product list on social media and through email. You can also view the whole Google Map of all the stores you have in your area. It's gonna include all the pins of the store, and if you click each pin, it's gonna pop up the details of each store. And that's pretty much the main functionalities of this application. That's quite a long explanation. Fast forward to this year, 2021, where I'm already 4 quarters into my program. I asked myself the same question: can I make this application now? I wish I could say yes, but not quite. I discovered that I didn't enjoy the process of making a mobile application that much after taking 2 classes of Android app development. A more possible way though to go about it for me is to make a web application which you can access through your browser on your device, whatever device that you want to use, without downloading any application. But it still gives you the same functionalities as mobile app. Another important factor is the business side of it. Although some people seem to like my idea and they seem to be excited, for example, some people in Seattle Zero Waste group, that they gave me positive feedbacks, and they said that it's going to be popular and those kind of things. I still haven't done enough research to know whether there's enough demand for this app or not. And the truth is, keeping any software running online securely is not cheap. It's a lot of investment. So there must be a way to fund this project. Anyway, in conclusion, all of this is to say that I really enjoy this project. I had a lot of fun creating this website and also making the prototype of this application as well. It's a great learning experience for me. Now I have questions for you. What do you think about my work, both the website and also the application idea? And have you ever had an idea that can make the world a little bit less wasteful? Leave your comments below. And if you want to check out this introduction website, I put the link in the description down below, along with my blog. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.